Welcome guys back to Mama Joan house. You know when we say it hot, you know what I mean. So let me take you say that me hot like scotch and pepper. Today guys, I'm gonna give you a little car tour. You know, Papa Harry bought me a nice little CRV. So I'm gonna take you guys outside and give you guys a tour of my new car for my lovely husband bought for me. Okay guys, so come with me. This is the outside of my new CRV XXLX. It's white, you know, with the color white is like a little, it's a like a silverish white with a little bit of sparkle in it. You look funny, you can see the color. It's a nice white and I like this color white. It's not just like a flat shiny white. So guys, it's a 4-door and it's a 4-wheel drive. So let's go inside. So inside here now. Oh, I still have my bow. As you could see guys, it's black interior black, and I have this wheel. I like this wheel. It's a little bit smaller than my first CRV, and you guys know what my first CRV was. It was a silverish bluish gray, and all of the stuff them in there was totally different from these ones. Like the one that I have all those long time buttons because it was like 18 years old. Now this is a brand new 2005 CRV. 2025. Sorry guys, not 2005. It's 2005 guys. Can you believe me? It's a 2025. I have this dashboard. It's totally different from the old dashboard when we did have, you know. So let me turn it on, make you guys see what it look like. I guess there's no device connected up to it yet. I need to program it so that it can light up and show all of the system. The only thing I have programming it is my phone, you know, so it's scanning from my phone right now. And the interior, it's black interior. The seat, it's black. Let me show you guys the seat. The seat is black. It's like a cloth material. I didn't take leather because honestly I do not like all the leather feeling of the winter because it's cold, and then it have heated seat. I don't want a hot heat on my house. See that? The heated seat is still in here. It still have the seat heat in here, but I really cannot take the heat on my house because heat on the house don't good for you. Them have a thing when we go up back home in Jamaica called pile. It will give a pile in the house and I don't want that. So this heated thing in here will never work where I'm concerned because I will never use it. So you can see I like the cloth that's there. So, and then here, this is my stick, my gear stick, my shift stick, you know. And here you have it come with this special gadget now where you can, when you park in your brakes, you park your brakes from here, you know, and not we have to, like before you used to sink it with your foot. You don't have to sink it with your foot anymore. And them had another thing in it now where this is a downhill steep, so it will prevent your car. You press this button and it prevent your car from going down a hill if there is a hill where you park it on a little steep. So that will help you with that. And here now, this is an extra storage box. So you open it, you can put your cards them in it, you know. So me have a little piece of card in it already. It's a go full up of garbage from Papa Eric. I'm gonna have all kind of stuff to store in it. Allow me to tell pan the man, anybody gonna have no garbage storing it is me, because them claims Mama Joan is a hoarder. I'm not a hoarder, I just don't like to throw away things that I think I'm going to use later on. And here we have the glove compartment, another storage thing in it. So this is my papers them for my car, so that alone I go keep in this for now. And I think there is a storage underneath the seat. Oh no, and in my whole car underneath the seat I have a storage on both sides. So on the passenger side there might be a storage underneath it, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to check that, so I'm gonna go check that to see if there's a storage underneath the passenger seat also. Let me turn this back off. I'm gonna need to have that running right now. Under the passenger seat, under here, there's no more storage under this one. Like in the old CRV, we have two storage under the two, both passenger seat and driver seat. This one now, there's no storage underneath the bottom. So let me show you in the back. Look. So here we go. It's a 5 passenger seat car. So I have 3 seats at the back, and as you know, the 2 seats at the front. And as I said, I like the material that they use for both the back seat, you know. And this is very nice. It's laid back. Oh, it's laid back. Here you have a gadget here. I didn't even notice it, as I wonder why it's faced so far back. You have a gadget here where you lift up. Oh, and it comes forward like this. Okay. So that's what it is, and if you want to relax, you press it and it lie back. Same thing, it also have this now. It's the mega seat, car seat for the person that sit in the middle. And then I'm gonna take it to sit. This. And then here now. Oh, so here. Can you open that or no? I think this is a compartment for a plug. I can't open it yet. Maybe not. We don't want to. So this is so here we have another 2 buttons where I guess where you can get cool here from, hot here from. So it's a vent up and down. So this is what it's a vent up and down. So this is where the air C come through and the heat come through for warm up this area at the van here. And you have the grill at the front. It's totally different from the other rest, because they use those little small grill in there instead of leave it open up like how they have the old time CRV that I have. You know, this is my 2 old mat from my old CRV, but this is the mat where it come with. It come with this thick mat where it can catch water in when winter come. We have that, and this we put here as extra. You know, here we go. It's a nice big trunk. I like how this trunk is big. Later on they have a screen that you put in here, so I'm gonna get the screen to put in here. And under here, so now is where my spare tire is. And your gun. So this is my spare tire. And your gun? I'm a jack. So when we are change my tire, there's no gun in here. And them give me a nice size spare tire. The spare tire look decent. It don't look very skinny like, you know, those little skinny donut tire that them used to give. This one look decent. And this is an extra mat, I guess. So it's an extra mat going down. They do these cars so different now, so them give you all extra light. So this is trunk light for your back. And then you have a plug here, like you can connect a battery, or you can connect, you know what, you can connect your sound system or your speaker system to this. So open up this here, in here. So now it's in sleep mode. So the back seat come back, so it's in sleep mode where people can relax and take a nap. That's where it is. So guys, this is my brand new CRV that my lovely husband purchased for me, and I'm going to enjoy it to the fullest. So guys, I come to the end of my car tour. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. Okay, so Mama Joan is back in business. All right guys, so I see you in the next one.